we're gonna get Sean Ryan. What are we doing? Let's see it. There it is.
Getting Sean.
Get him.
Very quiet. Be very quiet.
This guy, be asleep on the couch. Hey, hold on. Just for the record. You be asleep, mate. My balls on his forehead. Fuck that's all. You should do it. Do it. Do it. Fucking do it. Do it.
Get his phone.
Dude, he's got no idea. He's asleep, mate. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at his phone. That's cute, John.
Show him the score of the game.
He'll be
Boston's on there. Show him the score of the game. 8-8.
Boston's tied up 8-8. It's 8-8 with. Wait a second. Hold on. I don't even know. Where are we at here? There we go. 94 miles an hour. Well, since Sean didn't wake up, peace out.